right, ladies and gentlemen, like I talked earlier, I want to bring in my first guest for the day. Please, this particular lady, now presenter, at the same time, now CEO on her own. She hold her own business tight to herself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make una help me jam on our hand together. So I make welcome my friend, my paddy, fellow hustler in the ministry, fellow co-anchor of Paddy Show. She go by the name Mayowa Lambe. Please put your hands together for it as she comes inside. You dey enter in a proper manner. Play music for her, Jare, make it dance. What's wrong with you? Hey, Mayo, hey. Choy. Mayo's in. Oh, come here. Woo! What you? It's gone. Please, sit down. Mayorzin, please sit in the middle. Don't be too far from me. What's wrong about you? You are welcome to the show.
Thank you.
To the late night show on the top, Wazobia TV and every.
Wow.
Why can't they form like say you are very, very proper?
Wow, who is he? Wow.
You wait, you don't see me for years since.
Wow.
Which one be wow? Which one be wow? IzyBeat. You know if you talk?
Wow.
Now you ask now. You say who is he?
Now our errand boy.
Wow,
Will they send a message?
I love errand boys.
You love errand boy?
Wow, they're very,
okay.
they're very, very useful.
Okay, not be my errand boy. He's a washerman.
Wow, washermen are good. They keep you neat. Wow.
This one, what do you be again?
I'm a DJ.
DJ. Come over there. Now DJ.
Oh, they make your life sweet because they give you music that blow your mind away.
Yeah, it's come out. Go outside. Go outside. I know they like all this kind of thing. You they cause distraction for you. My idea now. What's up now? Now this one they give me. I want to talk one thing just now. Now him you the point. IzyBeat after the whole thing. No, I'll give you control.
So because of him now, I go just couple.
Yours couple.
Couple
No, Mayowa, see, most people that know you say you they present for radio first.
No, but that is alter ego.
Alter ego.
This is Mayowa.
This one
na alter ego.
Alter ego.
Yes.
It be alter ego.
Alter ego na that thing within inside your head. Whenever manifest.
Huh.
You understand?
Yes.
Or it did there.
It did there.
Something need to water around.
To ginger.
Before you go come out.
Oh, blah,
but that money only they come out. But this one, now the one my mama born be this.
Okay. So now this now the true self. No, but no me do your true self.
You want make I use your alter ego.
They say alter ego. Because many people not know Mayowa the presenter. They know Mayowa the architect. Because most people don't know that one, say you are a architect.
Oh, and a damn good one.
And a damn good one, architect. A architect. Architect and the presenter for radio and TV. Good morning show.
Good morning. Make una wake up.
Make una wake up show.
Pigeon show.
Pigeon show on Wazobia FM.
Yes.
Now all this one side. And you dey dance so.
Now they try.
But all this one side.
Just easy. I they dance.
Okay.
Yeah, you DJ, I dance, we blend.
Together.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. You were saying?
So wait, now under my nose, now I want to do this rubbish. For this place, IzyBeat. Now that one you no go see work for here again. I promise you that. What's wrong about you? Now back to you, Mr. CEO. Now, make we jump at the cocoa of the whole thing.
Tell me.
Okay, now,
because I feel rest
as
on
woman,
this.
feel free, feel like that for the whole chair. Not feel free, not be wanting. But as woman, because I really say most women for this world now, for the whole system now, they always chill for men to do things and bring back a money before then if you arrange their own thing. And largely now, don't be like say most women now, because of that particular thing, not they fit do some kind of things for life at all. Because they dependent on men. All right. Now the thing will ginger you to enter, go open your own outfit, and as I never announced, she be the CEO, Mayo Looks. I mean, until I make up things. Applause. Very, very sumptuous thing. Thank you very much. Now you're supposed to say thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. All right. Now, what in ginger you go start all that level now? Based on what I just talked just now.
You see, first of all, my mama.
Yes.
She no be the type who go sit down for house.
Okay.
Wait for my papa.
Okay.
Make he bring something. As a matter of fact, when I did school, they grow. Now my mama, now she they do majority of the things because my papa know they did.
Okay.
It too they travel. So before him come back, she go don't arrange everything where she arrange. They call me tailor picking. Okay. Because my mama been own tailor outlet.
Tailor. You Your man now be your man.
Eh?
Your man now be your man.
No, be your man, a designer.
Okay, designer.
Designer.
She don't carry machine for her.
No. She get people where they work for her for inside big place.
Okay.
Because that year, my mama go tell me, say, if I do a strong thing, she go say, it's tailor money I used to send you to school, so shut up.
Shut up your mouth.
Yes. So I grow up getting the kind of mama where we say, if you sit down, no do anything, all my brothers or my sister, only you go double outcast.
Okay.
So that mentality already did there.
Okay.
Then as I can't they grow, I can't think and say, if I want to compliment this my proud nature, you understand?
Because you are prouding somebody.
Sometimes.
Actually.
Sometimes.
Yes.
So if I want to compliment this my proud nature, I need to make my own money. Because the truth be say, even men these days, know they find liability. Even Bible talk say make you be support
to the man. For those of you who don't know liability, I be say you just sit down, you can't talk to the man, headache.
You won't buy Maggi na man.
Na man.
You won't buy salt na man. You won't buy this one na man. You understand me now? But every man go dey comfortable.
Yes.
When in day office, he knows that they bring NEPA bill. Not because he no fit pay am, but because he knows say he get somebody for house where go hold am down. Exactly.
For those days when no go to get, she go fit just arrange it. Malleable. You understand? When Adam look Eve, or maybe Baba God there, reason Adam.
Yeah.
Say, Adam, I will give you somebody as a support
Thank you.
for your ministry.
Thank you.
You understand? So you can't give Eve a support.
Yes.
Not be as to call the chop shawarma.
Thank you.
Exactly.
So if you want to buy a shawarma as a girl,
yes,
it's okay if you walk into a place with your lovely dress and shoes,
yes,
and you buy your shawarma with your own money.
Your own money.
That is okay.
Okay. Now, based on this gist, now I put it to you. I just want to feel like lawyer. Don't mind me.
It's okay.
I put it to you. Say some girls. Let's just tell me that no be only shawarma. They like the charge card too.
Yes.
Shawarma.
You know, say,
some they like more to own.
You know, say some girls just say.
Sorry, dear. Sorry, I caught you because I don't go forget. And where are they find the line to draw between when we don't they hustle our own money as women and we are not to enter on our head, we will not come fit the lay low for the man to be the man.
Well, the truth be say, nothing line.
Okay.
I know like give you nothing line. Because you see this hustle where me the hustle so.
Yes.
If I finish radio, I go collect my small drawing contract onto work something because I like good life. So I have to work for it.
Okay.
Now my own belief, which I feel say every girl need to get for their mind.
Okay.
Before they turn women. So that by the time you go down turn women, you go down manifest. You go down graduate.
Face.
Wow, I'm speaking lots of English.
Oh, you are feeling yourself.
Yeah. So my point now be say, nothing line.
Yeah.
If you start from the scratch, we be say now once 5K, 10K, 2K, 3K, once you go understand, say pride no go get you anywhere. So automatically you go know where to draw the line.
But some people don't even know. They don't even know when the pride don't fall in. IzyBeat, I don't know that you understand what I talk.
Yeah.
Some don't know when pride don't they fall in for the whole thing. You always say you always talk to men anyhow, but not say you plan to talk to them anyhow. But naturally, you just say they do men as score anyhow.
Sometimes then they do unconsciously.
Okay.
Because if they talk to somebody in a rude way, you go know.
Okay.
We not be picking again. This time we dey so good na good, bad na bad.
True.
If they talk to somebody in a rude way, you go know. If you don't mean to rude to person, you go know. If you dey nice to person, you go know. Some girls they do them by force because some people want do and they make my own money, so I no be your mate.
Exactly.
You understand? So then they know that they planner. If I want do you strong tonight, if you don't plan, so I go come this show, I no go smile. I don't plan now.
Okay.
But I also believe say get some status where some ladies go don't reach. The thing will affect the way they think.
Not be
and
so.
Especially when men involved, because number one now, you get your car, you get your house, you get your business, you get staff.
So wait till the man get to offer you.
Not be so.
So a girl go come reach before any man go feel walk up to you say make una reason matter. It hard.
I tell you something.
It hard.
You know say this thing. If, for example, now I don't they earn like 6 figures, my line of thinking go change. Na natural thing. My taste go change. If I dey wear fake before, if I don't dey earn 6 figures, I go one day just try and say, ma just buy original, see as they be. Before you know wetin go happen, you go begin think and say original na the way. You understand wetin I dey talk? Your friends go change because una no go begin talk on the same level.
The same, yeah.
Na normal something.
Naturally,
You
naturally,
understand?
it
So,
just happen.
so when you see man, where you feel say una no dey the same level, wetin in dey talk? Sometimes you no go gel with wetin you dey think because una IQ now not be on the same level. So you go dey think am say I don't know wetin to talk with this person. But then again, if you be better person, you go find nice way to take end the convo.
But in the whole of 100, if you take them like 100, before you will see any lady of that nature, where will you succumb to any kind of man they had?
And sometimes, you know this thing when they say love, and besides, you know, as a man, see that thing when you see for your hand earlier today, you know, it depends on how you can use it. Sometimes it works. This thing, I'm telling you, you will just, and then she go succumb to you and your family. All your family will be a circumcision.
But it really happen like that.
No, not really.
Not be every time it happen like that.
It really happen like that.
It really happen.
But you know, like they say, once try, you know, gel.
Because I know of a lady where really be like, say, this lady did all right. She hold bar well. So one guy come back and go meet her and say, man, babe, I like you. What would they do? So what would they do? You know this kind of power now. What could they do all right? What could they reason ourselves? So
which of they do now? Which of
you know now?
I know. I like to do very transparent.
We they date ourselves.
Okay, date, not be touchlight. Okay.
No, more could they date ourselves.
Fire
at the end of the day, when you meet the lady to make we date ourselves now, so lady can't go house. When lady go out, she can't go the reason and say, he won't know the kind of gods where this guy gets.
To come meet her.
To your work, she not drive come home. Now waka come, they just see for somewhere. Just look and just go meet her and tell her and say, what's up? He said the guy not talk much. The guy just tell and say, Mo will begin reasoning ourselves.
Easy. You know, say sometimes it depends on brought up. According to one of my friends.
The kind of person where...
It depends on how you take approach the girl. If get a person when no get shingban go talk to me, I go reason and say, wow, this is a guy right there. So now all the guys that wait for outside there when no get shingban, please make sure that when you are approaching her, approach her like a guy that having shingban. No, not like that. You guys get game. This thing na game.
Na game.
You guys get game. You guys know how you go take talk am.
Now, we go dramatize one thing now. You understand? Now, for any guy we no get game, where they watch now, and you want approach a girl we get game. You
no waiting be game.
No waiting be game.
Yeah.
All right. And so, how the whole thing go to happen now? Now maybe the guy we no get game now, and you are the girl we no game. You understand?
Yeah.
So, you will tell me what to do now, and then we'll hack it out. Are you ready? Oh yeah. So.
You enter one place, I sit down here.
Okay.
Waiting be the ideal thing to do.
Okay. I have to greet.
So greet.
Okay. Good afternoon.
No, not like that. Hello. First of all.
So that good afternoon now, it don't fall the guy.
It don't fall on hand. I go tell you why. I go tell you why.
Okay.
That hello now.
Yes.
Now this kind, I'm learned. Because if you are a learned person, you go know say, hello goes for everybody.
Okay. So all the guys like Mona they learn
you
now.
You talk and we smile
so
in a very calm way.
Just walk inside now. I just sit down like this now. Abi.
You say you face me now. You want.
I know now the charge of my time because own. Men then they outside they don't want to learn.
You go sit down your own.
Okay, on my own.
On your own. Not be say you did.
Enter your space.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go back to my own side. So from here, I feel just throw one distant hello. Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Women,
naturally,
they like compliments.
Okay.
We know.
So compliments.
They
after
like
you don't greet, compliment
now,
follow.
when you first talk the hello, you no go allow and rest. You go just talk and nice shoes, bone.
Okay. Easy, be just put one track for that the background. I like this mood they like this. Now. So after hello,
you go just talk and nice shoes.
Nice shoes.
No, you no go point now. You go form the hello.
So the guy all lock up.
Hello, nice shoes.
Yeah, nice shoes.
Only me go look my shoe, tell you thank you.
So the guy can't lock up, can't face him matter again.
Lock up, they do what they do.
Okay, so you got the yarn, they go.
You can't form like say you want to write something. Do you have a pen?
Okay, do you have a pen?
No, I don't.
But see now, the way
you talk they be like for that mass now.
Wait now, the way they talk so it makes sense. But trust me, for the Naija way we did, you run that kind of paro. You walk up to any girl and you tell her, say, man, hello. The lady gonna say hi, well, nice shoe. The next thing we should go to reason, go say, oh, they don't come again.
They don't come again.
Now, like,
And some they give that face.
You understand?
Like,
and when you go see the
that
face, your life, your mind, you
Make I tell you something.
Some they give that
kill
face.
yourself.
Make I tell you something. You see this thing where they talk, say, women don't like nice guys. The truth be saying are true.
Oh, so you like rude boys.
The truth be saying are true. No matter the face when I give you,
Okay.
Oga, auntie, you get biro. I ask you for biro, no talk, say they ask, say, waiting be the address of your house.
They go don't know. If you even tell girl say hello, the first thing will come to their mind will say, I know waiting they go. Very soon I go ask for my number.
It depends.
You understand?
See, now wait till they try talk to you, be that it depends. Any girl where they make her own money, believe me, except the one where we say she ratchet die. When I say ratchet die, now grassroots where we say no matter with the money and everything. No, I know they talk the one where they form I get the money. The one where actually get them. Her mind they calculate plenty things. The last thing where they her mind now to they think waiting you won't try tell her.
Okay.
This time once you go walk your way, ni.
Those ones now. So for all those guys that will know to get game, when you say you want to go approach girl, we know it's in game B. You have to come in a very, very civil and a calculated manner. Abi, no be small work. Thank God I get game. All right, we will match break for you. Go on the musical journey. By the time we come back, we'll wrap up on every concern. Mayolistic Mayo, CEO, Mayo Looks, and every. All right, baby. We come back. IzyBeat.